Ready to dive into new worlds? In this video, we're exploring the top 5 best virtual reality headsets that will take your VR experience to the next level. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Shinon G13. The Shinon G13 VR glasses offer an exceptional virtual reality experience, seamlessly turning your smartphone into a high-quality 3D machine for games, movies, and immersive content. With compatibility for both iOS and Android devices, this headset supports smartphones with screen sizes from 5.5 to 7.2 inches, including some 6.5-inch full-screen phones. Designed with high-quality optical lenses, the G13 provides a clear and vibrant viewing experience with a wide 120-degree field of view. Its advanced features include anti-blue light technology to reduce eye strain, anti-reflection coatings for a distortion-free image, and a cooling and venting panel for comfort during extended use. Number 4. VRPark G30. The VRPark J34K Virtual Reality 3D glasses offer a stunning and immersive experience for both iOS and Android smartphone users, accommodating devices with a diagonal length of 4.7 to 6.7 inches. With its 4K resolution capabilities, this headset transforms your smartphone into a powerful 3D virtual reality machine, bringing games, movies, and apps to life with remarkable clarity and detail. Featuring a 3.5 ms standard audio jack, the VRPark J30 connects directly to the audio output of Android devices, while iPhone and Type-C users will need a compatible audio adapter for full functionality. The inclusion of a Bluetooth-compatible wireless rocker enhances your VR experience, allowing you to navigate and interact with virtual environments with ease. Number 3. Shinon 6. Shinon 6.0 Cask VR virtual reality glasses offer a robust and immersive experience with a range of thoughtful features designed for an exceptional VR adventure. Constructed from durable ABS and equipped with 40mm resin aspheric optical lenses, these goggles provide high transmittance and a clear, immersive viewing experience. The adjustable focal distance and interpupillary distance settings ensure a customizable fit for various users, accommodating short-sighted individuals with vision up to 600 degrees. Designed with a 9100-degree field of view, the Shinon 6.0 creates a wide, engaging visual environment perfect for both video games and 3D movies. The headset is lightweight at just 282 grams, which minimizes strain during extended use, while the faceplate features a combination of flocking fabric, sponge, and Velcro for comfort and easy replacement. Number 2. Shinon G10. The Shinon G10 IMAX Giant Screen VR glasses offer a truly immersive 3D virtual reality experience with their ergonomic design and advanced features. Crafted for comfort, these VR glasses feature a soft leather mask and an adjustable headband that ensure a snug, comfortable fit for extended use. Designed to replicate the experience of watching a 3-meter screen, the G10 provides a breathtaking virtual reality viewing effect that feels like you're right in the middle of the action. This VR headset supports a wide range of smartphones from 4.7 to 7 inches and is compatible with Android, iOS, and Hongmeng systems, making it a versatile choice for various devices and applications. Number 1. Shinon 10. The VR Shinon 10.0 helmet takes virtual reality experiences to the next level with its advanced features and comfortable design. This state-of-the-art VR headset turns your smartphone into a high-quality 3D machine, perfect for immersive gaming and watching split-screen movies. Compatible with over 1,000-plus VR apps available on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, this headset opens up a world of virtual adventures right at your fingertips. With a meta surface and high-quality optical lenses, the Shinon 10.0 offers a clearer, more vivid view that enhances your VR experiences. The headset's design incorporates several major upgrades, including anti-blue light and anti-reflection technologies, which work together to reduce radiation and prevent eye strain, providing a more comfortable and eye-friendly viewing experience. And that's it for our roundup of the top 5 best virtual reality headsets. Which headset caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, Be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time for more great content.